YouTube, never fail. From Jay's here, back with another sneaker review on this Shoesday. Got these last week on Wednesday. Ordered them on Tuesday. They were here within one day. I've never seen it like that, and I was like, oh, didn't have any time. Pumping the videos out now, so let's get into it. Another unboxing from Adidas. Got these from the Confirmed app. Got selected. Glad I finally got one of these. Been trying and nothing's been happening, so glad I finally got one of these. That's it. Only need one. Be many more, but glad that these are the first that I hit on. As you can see, it's the Yeezy 700. There we go. V3. And the style code is G54850. Azareth. Supposedly the name of these. Whew. This blue is sick. Also, these come with an extra set of laces. Yeah, they do. I'll show you that really quick. We got these two stickers there in the box. Roll of tissue paper, and these come with an extra set of laces here. You want to swap these out instead of what comes in the sneaker. It's more of the traditional, and what he did is more of the new age thing. So at least he's thought of you. For anybody that wants to wear traditional lace, he gives you that option. Comes with this paper in there, keep the shape of the sneaker. And yeah, fire. Ooh, man. Oh, and autofocus this thing here. So yeah, got your tag here, and let's get into the review really quick. You got this clear outsole. What is that? Get your clear outsole, and then you got some white going through that goes up to the midsole, and then you got your cushioning system right here, showing that hit a yellow there. And same thing on the midsole, wraps around the whole thing. Then you got your Adidas branding right there, all smooth. Right there. Check that out one more time. Use equipment logo. That blue is amazing. Did a great job at selecting this color. Just amazing. Then you got your rubberized toe cap right there, in like a beige looking color there. Then you got this cage going throughout, which glows in the dark. Then you got your prime knit pattern going there with like what is that? It's not gray. It's almost like a green. It's like a green gray. I can't really tell you. And then you got some white going through. I don't know what would call it, maybe olive, possibly. More like an olive look. As close as an olive as you can get right there. So that comes up. You get some more in the back, and then you got some white stripes going throughout, and also the blue. And up going through the throat, tongue area, you got this neoprene and little hits of 3M here on the side, black laces, and like I said, the inside is neoprene. Then up here is more of a harder mesh material. It's not neoprene, but the sock liner is. You got here this very breathable feel, more than up here, because this has more of that prime knit stitch going through. But right here, it's very breathable. It's on both sides, medial and the lateral. And then at the top, right here, you got this like enclosure of your laces, so you got a cleaner look on your sneaker, so you don't have the laces dangling. This is more of the cleaner new age look. And I like the design, how it wraps around your ankle area. And right here you have Adidas, Yeezy, and Ortho Light. See how the insole is. I'll take it out and show you and then see if I can take it out. Yeah, I can. And then the inside looks like this. That little hit of the cushioning there, little hit of yellow. Production date, really quick, 7/20. And these came out in September 1st, really at the end of August, but the date got pushed back. So yeah, you know, bottom is green, yellow, and red. Little Adidas going on right there. And that's the sneaker. And I really like these. As far as right now, the colorways that have dropped, I don't know. This one and the first colorway, I mean, the black is fire too. You can't go wrong with all black. But as far as in that color block scheme, this one and the first one, it's debatable. I can't say either one right now. They're both fire. I don't want to say because I got this one I like it better. No, I like that first one as well. Prices have skyrocketed even more. You know, prices were they were reasonable. If you would have sold some stuff to try to cop when they first released, I'm only hoping that down the road he re-releases them, because that's the OG colorway, first colorway, or whatever you want to call it. These are still OG colorways because he's still releasing them. But OG's different on many ways, because we got the Air Jordan 1 and they're all OG highs, so it's like the OG shape. So you take it how you want. Is the OG word has been thrown around and used differently all the time. So, but you know what I'm talking about. I'm hoping that, you know, there's a bigger release down the road and I'm able to cop. I really like this model. Seeing there's like another one that has like a yellow look to it. Try for those. And so yeah, YouTube, just wanted to bring you this quick look review on these. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's your boy Logan J. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification bell right there and you'll be notified of any future videos. All right, peace.